an hour through enemy-infested areas. Viet Cong booby traps along the route can cause heavy damage and delay. Pushed ahead of the train by the engine, flatbed cars serve as minesweepers to detonate any pressure-type explosives that may have been placed on the track. Picking up additional cars en route, the train arrives at its destination and is shunted onto a siding for unloading. The much-needed supplies are lifted off the cars by waiting transportation crews. Swift and efficient management of cargo traffic is required at each transfer point to make certain that the cargo is handled skillfully and with the greatest possible safety. Under close supervision of the transportation experts, the supplies are reloaded onto trucks for the last lap of the trip to the particular base camp nearby. With each vehicle utilized to carry maximum load, the convoy of trucks is moved speedily out of the railroad yard, and the precious cargo is on its way to our fighting men. The empty freight cars are assembled for return to the Saigon Rail Depot, where more cargo is awaiting pickup. Plans for the future of the Vietnam National Railway system call for the extension and expansion of facilities which will help make the dense interior regions of the country more accessible. At the Vinh Thanh United States Special Forces camp in the Central Highlands of Vietnam, officers of the 1st Air Cavalry Division Air Mobile hold a briefing session with ARVN commanders while planning a joint operation in the An Lo Valley. The plan is to utilize a combat technique using a new concept and tactics in order to flush out Viet Cong guerrilla fighters in the surrounding mountainous terrain. A specialist in the 229th Aviation Battalion checks out powerful floodlights mounted on UH-1D helicopters used to seek out the enemy. At dawn, these unusually equipped Hueys, dubbed Fireflies, are fully loaded with battle-ready advanced reconnaissance patrols. They speed toward their planned landing zone in the neighboring valley. The rising sun provides a dramatic beginning for the day's operations deep in enemy territory. During the early morning at the base, backup gunships are prepared with rockets and other armament for the assigned mission. When all is ready, the crews make their final flight checks, and the troops load for takeoff. Flying high over the deceivingly peaceful-looking valleys of the region, the gunships are on the alert for any ground activity. Smoke markers set off by the Forward Dawn Reconnaissance Unit indicate points of enemy concentration to be attacked. Then the gunships move in and open up with machine gun and rocket fire to neutralize the VC stronghold. Explosions and mushrooms of billowing smoke attest to the accuracy and strength of the devastating air assault. The ships continue to circle, looking for the fleeing Viet Cong as they press the attack. Not far away, the circling copters find an open spot suitable for landing, where the waiting U.S. and ARVN scouts can be picked up and returned to their base camp. Mission accomplished. The American troops swap first-hand reports with the Republic of Vietnam soldiers about sweep and clear operations to secure the Central Highlands region. Their rotor blades still turning, the copters stand on the landing zone as the troops are loaded. American and ARVN know-how and determination have pressed the night and day successful pursuit of an elusive enemy. Once again, air mobility, ingenuity, and cooperation prove themselves in the Vietnam fight.